Good morning, students. This is Shafi from Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. In our previous class, we have solved some questions. In this class also, we are going to solve the problems. Here, we have the problem. The function t, which maps temperature, is nothing but T denotes temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit is defined by T of C equals to 9C divided by 5 plus 32. One function is given that T of C equals to 9C divided by 5 plus 32. We have to find the values that T of 0, T of 28, T of minus 10, and we have to find the value when T of C equals to 212. T of C equals to 212. It is the given question. Let us find out the values. Solution. Let us find out the values. Solution. First write down the given function. Given that T of C given is what? T of C equals to 9C divided by 5 plus 32. T of C equals to 9C divided by 5 plus 32. Very first one is T of 0. Very first one is T of 0. T of 0. Here we have in place of C is 0. Wherever C is there, you just replace it by 0. T of 0 equals to 9C. In place of 0 we have 0. In place of C we have 0 divided by 5 plus 32 equals to 9 into 0 is 0. 0 divided by 5 is 0. 0 plus 32 equals to 32. You just once again, wherever C is there, you just replace it by 0. Then we will get the value for T of 0. Therefore, the value of T of 0 is 32. Next, second question. B. T of 28. T of 28 equals to what we have? The function 9C by 5 plus 32. 9C divided by 5 plus 32. In place of C, we have to put the value 28. 9 into 28 divided by 5 plus 32 equals to now you just simplify it by taking LCM, and simplify it. We will get the final answer for the value T of 28. 9 into 28 is how much? 9 into 28. 9 into 28 value is how much? 252. 252 divided by 5 plus 32 equals to, in the bridge course itself, I already told you that finding the LCM of these two numbers, here LCM of this is 5 only. Here we don't have in the denominator any kind of value. We have to take 1 divided by 1. 5 into 1 is 5. Now you just cross multiply it. You do cross multiplication. 1 into 252 is 252 plus 5 into 32. 5 into 32 is how much? 5 into 32. You just simplify it by using a normal calci. 5 into 32 is how much? 160. 160 equals to 5 into 32 is 160. Now 160 plus 252. You just use a normal calci. 160 plus 252. 252 plus 160 is 252 divided by 5. Therefore, the value for t of 28 is 252 divided by 5. Now what about C? Third one, t of minus 10. T of minus 10 equals to t of minus 10 equals to, given function is what? 9 into c by 5 plus 32. 9 into c divided by 5 plus 32. In place of c, we have to put the value minus 10. Minus 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. 9 into 2 is minus 18 plus 32. 32 minus 18 is how much? Is 14. 14. Therefore, the value for t of minus 10 is 14. Next, let us move on to the fourth sub question, D. You just observe the question. The value of C when t of C equals to 212. We have to find the value that C when t of C equals to 22. T of C equals to 212. Given that for the sub question D, given that t of C equals to 212. T of C equals to 212. Next, T of C is given. T of C is given 9c by 5 plus 32. 9c divided by 5 plus 32 equals to 212. Equals to 212. Now you just simplify it by taking the LCM and simplify it. Finally, we will get the value of C. T of C equals to 212. T of C is 9c by 5 plus 32 equals to 212. Send this 32 to the right, it will be negative. 9c divided by 32, 9c divided by 5 equals to 212. Take this 32 to the right, it will be minus 32. Now 9c divided by 5 equals to 212 minus 32 is how much? 212 minus 32 is 180. Is 180. Now 5, send this 5 to the right, it will be multiplies to 180. Now 9c equals to 180 into 5 is how much? 180 into 5. 900. 900. 5 into 180 is 900. Now we want the value of C. C equals to, send this 9 to the right, it will divides to 900. 900 divided by 9. 9 ones are 900s. Therefore C equals to 100. Therefore C equals to 100. Hence it is the value of C. You just note down this question in your notebook without making any kind of mistakes. First question, second question, third question, fourth. If you want, you can take a screenshot or pause the video, then you can note down. Now let us move on to the next question. Next we have the question, if f of x equals to x square, then find the value f of 1.1 minus f of 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. Solution. Given function, that is f of x equals to x square. First of all, we have to find the values of f of 1, f of 1.1. Then after that, we have to substitute that points in this given condition. Finally, we will get the answer. Let us find out f of 1. F of x equals to x square. What about f of 1? F of 1 is 1 square. 1 square is 1. Now, what about f of 1.1? F of 1.1. F of 1.1 equals to x square, that is 1.1 whole square, equals to 1.1 whole square is how much? 1.21. 1.21. Now let us find the value of this. F of 1.1 minus f of 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1 equals to f of 1.1. That value is what? 1.21. 1.21 minus f of 1. That value is 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. 1.1 minus 1. That is equals to 1.21 minus 1. That value is what? By using the calci, you can find the value of 1.21 minus 1. 1.21 minus 1 is 0.21 divided by 1.1 minus 1. That value is 0.1. 0.1. That is equals to 0.21 divided by 0.1 is 2.1. Hence, it is the value for f of 1.1 minus f of 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. It is the problem. You can note down in your notebook. Now let us move on to the next questions. That questions will be based on finding the domain and range of a given function. Finding the domain and range of a given function, that problems are very important for your point of examination as well as for the point of your CET also. Here we have the question. Find the domain and range of the following real functions. Find the domain and range of the following real functions. Here we have the first question. F of x equals to minus modulus x. F of x equals to minus modulus x. We have to find the domain and range of this function. How to find the domain and range of this function? These type of problems are important for your point of examination for 2 marks. Maybe there is a possibility to ask these kind of questions in your examination. It carries 2 marks. F of x equals to minus modulus x. Now it is a real function. It is a real function. He already said that it is a real function. A real function is nothing but what? Domain and range should be a subset of a real number, right? Domain and range should be a subset of a real number. Therefore, domain will be a real numbers. We have to take in place of x that must be a real number. Let us take these values from 0. F of 0. Let us take the values of x from 0. F of 0 equals to minus modulus 0 equals to minus of modulus 0, that will be 0 only. Now f of 1 equals to minus modulus of 1 equals to minus modulus of 1 equals to minus modulus of plus 1. Modulus is always represent that should be a positive number. Minus 1, right? Minus 1. F of 2 equals to minus modulus of 2 equals to that modulus represent always that should be a positive number. Outside the modulus we have minus. You just keep it that minus as it is. Modulus of minus 2, that value is plus 2. Modulus of plus 2, that value is plus 2. Similarly, f of 3 equals to minus modulus of 3 equals to minus 3. Modulus of 3 is 3. Outside the modulus we have minus. Modulus of 3 is 3. F of 4 minus modulus of 4 equals to minus 4, and so on. Like this the values will be move on. So these are the 0, 1, 2, 3. All these are the positive real numbers. Let us take the negative real numbers. Then what will happen? F of minus 1 equals to minus modulus of x. In place of x, we have to put the value minus 1 equals to minus. Outside the modulus, we have minus. Modulus of minus 1, that will be plus 1. Modulus of minus 1, that will be plus 1. Similarly, f of minus 2 equals to minus of modulus of minus 2. Outside the modulus we have minus, you just keep it as it is, minus. Modulus of minus 2 is plus 2. F of minus 3 equals to minus of modulus minus 3 equals to minus 3, and so on. Now what about the domain and range? You just observe this and write down the domain and range for this function. What about the domain and range? Domain is nothing but we are taking the values. You just observe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Now minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10 and so on. The domain will be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 10 and so on, right? All these numbers are what kind of numbers? All these are real numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10 and so on. All these numbers are real numbers. Then domain will be a real number. What about the range? I already told you in our previous class that the outputting values are the range of the given function. You just observe these are the outputting values: 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Once again, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and so on. Here also we are getting the negative numbers: minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10 and so on. Then what about the range for this function? You just think, range for this function is what? We are getting the outputting values, negative numbers. Which kind of numbers? All these are negative real numbers. So all these are negative real numbers including 0. These numbers are negative real numbers including 0. Therefore range will be negative real numbers, all the negative real numbers including 0. This also can be represent like minus infinity to 0, including 0 up to minus infinity, right? So it is the domain and range of the function f of x equals to minus of modulus x. You just note down this question in your notebook. Now let us move on to the sub question A. Now let us move on to the second sub question B. Second sub question, f of x equals to modulus of x minus 1. It is also very similar to the previous one. Let us take the values of x. I already told you that this function is a real function. Real function is nothing but domain and range should be a subset of real numbers. Now f of 0, modulus of, in place of x we have to put 0 minus 1 equals to 0 minus 1 is modulus of minus 1 equals to modulus of minus 1. If we apply modulus, that value should be a positive number. Modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. F of 1 equals to modulus of 1 minus 1 equals to 1 minus 1 is 0. F of 2 equals to modulus of 2 minus 1 equals to 2 minus 1 is what? 2 minus 1 is modulus of 1 equals to plus 1. Now you can take f of 3 equals to modulus of 3 minus 1 equals to 3 minus 1 is modulus of 2 equals to plus 2 and so on. Like this we will get the values. All these are the positive numbers. Let us take, what about if we take negative numbers? F of minus 1 equals to modulus of in place of x we have to put the value minus 1. Minus 1 equals to modulus of minus 2. Modulus of minus 2, that will be a plus 2. F of minus 2 equals to modulus of minus 2 minus 1 equals to modulus of minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Modulus of minus 3, that will be a number 3. F of minus 3 equals to modulus of minus 3 minus 1 equals to modulus of minus 4 equals to, if we apply modulus, then we will get plus 4 and so on. You just find out the domain and the codomain for this function. Domain and range. What about the domain and range for this function? Domain will be a real numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10 and so on. Therefore, the domain will be a real numbers. No doubt at all that domain will be a real numbers. What about range? Here we are getting the outputting values like 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, right? What about the domain? So what about the range? You just think it. In our previous problem, there we are getting the outputting values like 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on, right? Here we are getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Therefore, range will be a positive real numbers. Range will be a positive real numbers including 0. Range will be a positive real numbers. Positive real numbers including 0. Including 0. And also it is denoted by symbolically like all positive real numbers including 0. Including 0, this symbol represents including 0 to plus infinity, right? These kinds of symbols you are going to learn in your first topic, that sets. Hence, it is the domain and range for the function f of x equals to modulus of x minus 1. You can note down this question in your notebook. Kindly do not make any kind of mistakes. Okay, dear students, hence it is the class for today. In the next class, we are going to solve some other problems based on finding the domain and the range. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.